Alrighty, let's solve problem or example number 5, which is problem number 10.9 from the textbook. And we're going to use nodal analysis to find V naught here. So what we're going to want to do is figure out the phasor form of everything here. Alright, to do that we get that 10 cosine of 10 to the third t transforms to 10 angle 0 degrees, where omega is equal to 10 to the third. 10 millihenry transforms to j omega L, which is equal to j times 10 to the third times 10 times 10 to the minus 3, okay, which is equal to j 10 ohms. Then we also have 50 microfarad, which is equal to negative j over omega c, which is equal to negative j over j times 10 to the third times 50 times 10 to the minus 6, which is equal to negative j 20 ohms. And then lastly, we want to know what will be I naught in this form. Well, if I go ahead and label these as V1 and V2, then in phasor form it's going to be V1 divided by 20. All right, so let's redraw. All right, if we redraw, we get a 10 volt, a 20, a 20, a negative J20, a dependent source, which is going to be, by the way, 4 times V1 over 20, where this is V1 and this is V2. J10, and then a 30 here, where what I'm looking for is V naught there. All right, so I'm going to do two equations, two unknowns. Once I have V2, I can do voltage division to find V naught. Let's start at node 1. All right, at node 1 we have 10 minus V1 over 20 coming in, minus V1 over 20 going out, minus V1 minus V2 over negative J20 is equal to 0. We can simplify this to be that 10 is equal to 2 plus J1 V1 minus J V2. This is equation 1. All right, next we can do node 2. Node 2, I have V1 minus V2 over negative J20 coming in, minus 4 V1 over 20 coming out, plus V2 over 30 plus J10, which is the equivalent impedance over here, equals 0. This simplifies down to be that we have minus 4 plus J1 V1 is equal to 0.6 plus J0.8 V2. Or in other words, V1 is equal to 0.6 plus J0.8 over minus 4 plus J1 V2, which we will sub into 1. Alright, so the reason I'm doing this is because I really only care about V2. So I'm solving here. I have 10 is equal to 2 plus J1 times 0.6 plus J0.8 divided by minus 4 plus J1 times V2 minus J V2. So V2 is going to equal to 170 over 0.6 minus J 26.2. Alright, so this is my new source voltage. And then finally, to find V naught, use voltage division. Alright, use voltage division, and we'll see that V naught is equal to 30 over 30 plus J10 times the thing I just found, which is 170 over 0.6 minus J 26.2, which is equal to 6.1 6.154 angle 70.26 degrees volts, which we can convert back to the time domain, which is what I want. V naught of t is equal to 6.154 cosine of 10 to the 3 t plus 70.26 degrees volts. Alright, so this is going to put us at a pretty good place.